In this video, I'll show you how to fix media sound not working on Samsung phone. So if you're trying to play any videos or playing any audio file but you're not getting the media sound, then here's the real guide of how you can fix this problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was not fix the problem. First thing first, simply go and open up the settings app from your Samsung phone. And from the settings homepage, you just need to scroll down a little bit and go to the accessibility settings. You'll get to see the accessibility. You just need to tap on this. And then go and tap on hearing enhancement. Under this point, you get the option mute all sounds. It might be enabled. You just need to toggle off this option and then get back to the main settings for the last time. And then get back, and from the main settings homepage, you just need to scroll down once again and then tap on sounds and vibration. And under this one, scroll down, tap on volume. And inside this one, you'll get to see the media, and make sure the media sound is all the way to the high. And once you're done with this, just get back from here and then restart your Samsung phone once. And once you're done this process, most likely your problem is going to be solved and your media sound will have started working. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.